He like takes
and Santa was getting ready to go out the back door, so everyone on the car would have saw what I'd done. Like all the little kids. So I couldn't do that to them.
You think you're gonna die?
You know?
All right. I talked to a friend of mine who went later on. I was like, did you get a chairlift?
I wanted to grab him by the hand.
We took the crazy ride up.
You know.
I mean,
we took the chairlift, but it was still like 30.
You know, Kelsey was crying, and all Jackson would say was, "Mom, it's okay."
Yeah. I'm like,
that's such a big deal. You know, I mean, when you're.
I'm not a crier, but that just upset me that he said.
We'll sit out here in the grass.
After I spent all that money, I was like.
Yeah, but he's so excited to see Santa.
Right. Yeah, we just got bad one that night. Bad Santa.
Tomorrow. $1. Where'd she see Annie at?
We watch it all the time.
How funny. That's your chair, Liza? Yeah. I like those chairs. Those are awesome.
She's having a good time.
Funny.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Oh, as we're over here talking.
Jackson, sit in the blue chair.
Need other kids.